आपको पता है ये अवेयरनेस इतना इम्पॉर्टेंट क्यों है? क्योंकि 2025 के पहले हर 21 फीमेल में से 1 फीमेल को ब्रेस्ट कैंसर हो रहा था। बट आफ्टर 2025 जो नंबर है वो चेंज हो गया है। अब 8 वुमेन में से 1 वुमेन को ब्रेस्ट कैंसर हो रहा है। तो आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा ये कितना इम्पॉर्टेंट वीडियो है। As a medical student, I see and learn about so many different cases, but the one condition that requires everybody attention is breast cancer. This video is one of those videos which you need to save and share and come back to. So hello, I am Sakshi Chirania, a final year medical student at Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore. बहुत लोगों को ब्रेस्ट कैंसर सुनकर ही डर लग जाता है, बट द बेस्ट प्रोटेक्शन इज वेरी सिंपल, जस्ट बेसिक नॉलेज, अ वेरी सिंपल चेक दैट यू कैन डू एट होम. So let's talk about how to do a self breast examination. Remember, early detection saves life. Great news is that most lumps are usually not cancerous. So what are we exactly feeling for? Let's take this as example. Okay, so imagine this as a breast tissue. This is nipple and surrounding this is black or brownish colored nipple areolar complex, and the rest is your skin colored breast tissue. So now if you see any discharge from nipple, if you see any ulceration around the breast tissue, if you see any dimpling around the breast tissue, if you see something similar to an orange peel, just like this orange peel, some texture similar to orange peel, then in all these cases you have to contact your doctor or you have to go to clinic. Don't self-diagnose using ChatGPT, Gemini or Google Uncle. Call your doctor or go to a clinic. It's better to be safe than to be sorry. So let's talk about the method of self breast examination. You can also do this examination under shower because the soap and the water will make it smooth and the lump will be felt more accurately. You don't have to use both the hands together. Use 3 fingers, not the tip but the pads. Okay? And the most important thing, if you are checking for the left side breast, use your right hand, and if you are checking for the right side breast, use your left hand, and 3 fingers pad. Okay, so how do we check? We just don't press it like this. No, you have to go in a clockwise manner. You have to feel like this. You have to go in a clockwise manner. Okay, first you have to stand in front of the mirror. Okay, then you have to raise your hand, and then if you are checking for the left side, use your right hand, and you are looking for all those signs which I mentioned about dimpling, about orange peel appearance, about any discharge or ulceration, and the most important thing, the lump. Also, when you are standing in front of the mirror, the most important thing, you have to check if the level of nipple are at the same level or there is a difference between the level of the nipple. You have to do same thing, lie flat on your bed. You have to use your 3 fingers pad, and then you have to do same process in circular motion. You don't have to apply a very much pressure, just a light and firm pressure to go around. The important point, you have to cover all around the breast tissue, including your armpits, feeling any knots or any lump. I have a challenge for you. Set a reminder on your phone right now to do self breast examination every month, preferably after finishing your periods, 4th or 5th day of the cycle. Drop a heart emoji in comments if you promise to do this exercise and this challenge every month. Early detection is a game changer. So share this video with every woman you know, you love and you care about. Important disclaimer, दोस्तों, I'm just sharing general knowledge. I am not your doctor. If you find anything unusual, you must see a doctor immediately. No buts. If you are a female more than 40 years of age, make sure you undergo through annual screening. Today is 4th Feb, World Cancer Day. Making this video is my way to create awareness among people. I hope you will also create awareness using your own methods. Thank you.